Did you ever want to know how many tickets you closed in a certain time frame? You know, was it a very busy week, or were there people on vacations? You just wanted to know how many tickets were closed in that date range. Under operation, we have something called ticket close percent. And here you choose a date range. Under here you choose the date. And the top part here, it'll show you how many open tickets. And this top area here will show you how many were closed. Now, the bottom area, this is a little help, by the way, that automatically opens, but the bottom area will only show the tickets that were opened in that period and then closed in that period. The top part here shows the tickets that were closed, but they may not have been opened in this week here in March. But very important way of determining that when management or operations is looking at percentage closed in a given time frame. How did you do in one particular week or one particular month or quarter, etc.? What was your close percent? And then, compare that with others. So ticket close percent under operations. How many tickets have you closed in a given time period?